he may. Secretary Duque, do you admit that it was your decision to transfer the 42 billion budget to the DBMPS as earlier manifested, at least in the hearings?
That is accurate, Your Honor. But anyway, that's the answer.
Thank you. And this decision of yours to have 42 billion transferred to the DBMPS, was this based on a recommendation of any panel?
No, Your Honor, it was a collective decision from the NTF, the National Task Force, because at that time we were desperate to get the much needed personal protective equipment and other life-saving supplies. We had no suppliers, very few, if any, that could not meet the volumes that we needed to mount an effective response to the pandemic. And this was even more compelling because noong February, March, nung nag-umpisang magkaroon na po tayo ng mga kaso, ay talagang yung mga suppliers natin dati na kung saan nagpo-procure ang inyong DOH, halos talagang wala na po silang kakayahan na mag-supply dahil unang-una noong January nagkaroon po tayo ng Taal volcano eruption. Doon pa lang po naubos yung ating pong stocks of mga face mask at kanya talagang very acute yung ating pong situation and nag-umpisa na po ang pandemya sa atin at kinailangan po natin na bigyan proteksyon lalong-lalo na ang ating pong mga healthcare workers na sila po direktamenteng nangangalaga ng ating pong mga COVID patients. Plus, ganun din po sa ating mga mamamayan na nangangailangan din po ng mga protective equipment. Yung pong PS DBM naman ho, may mandato to procure even from international suppliers. Kanya minabuti namin na sila lang po siguro ang kayang makatulong sa ating pong matinding pangailangan noong panahon ngayon at hanggang ngayon ganun pa din. Salamat po.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.